Okay, today we're going to do the points. We have to move the F mark to the index, right? And after that, we need to measure the distance, lose a little bit these two molds, and use a 0.3mm gauge to set the gap in between the points. Let's do this. Okay, I don't know if you can see, there's a small gap there, 0.3. It's not too hard to do it. It was my first time doing points, so it took me a little bit longer. As I said before, you use a 0.3mm gauge that I can't find now because I closed them. And be careful, always keep the index mark on the F when you adjust them up here, otherwise the points won't be adjusted properly. Now another thing we should do is lubricate these with a little bit of grease, because this is in constant rotation. Okay. And that's it. What I'm going to do now is what the experts call prime the engine. Every time you rebuild an engine, and I've seen this one that has been completely rebuilt, all gaskets are new, everything was new, is just kick-started with the engine, with the ignition off, so that the oil goes everywhere inside the engine. So when we first started, the engine isn't completely dry, if you know what I mean. Fucking hell, compression on this one. Perfect. Moment of truth. Let's see if we have spark. I hope you guys can see it. Okay, on. And we happy days, we got spark. We got spark. So, small update here. All lights working again. And I got spark. One step closer. As you could see, all the lights are working. Just need to connect lights for the clock. And I'm now going to try to see if it sparks without the battery connected and just a capacitor. I'll put it provisorily, or it will stay there later, under the cowl. Okay. So no battery, nothing. I'm going to try to kickstart the bike and see if it sparks or not. Okay, out. And if not sparking, try to understand why. And it's not sparking. Okay, maybe. Okay guys, I didn't manage to understand why I don't have spark. I put the battery back, didn't change anything apart from this earth, and I don't have spark. But bear with me one thing, let me show you if I can, come on. These rear sets, they were given to me by a mate. He's not needing them anymore, so I was thinking, I don't know if you are familiar with some old Ducati models and they shift reverse, means first gear up and the rest down. And to avoid linkages and all that stuff, I was thinking about using this gear shifter that will go like that. Originally, it will be too far away. Okay. Using it. Of course, I will need to cut it here and weld it the other way around. And shift it. This is an old school Ducati. What do you guys think? Let me show you. So it will be first gear up, second down, third down, and so on. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.